Is your boat's engine cooling system underperforming? When water flow drops, your engine's health is on the line. The Sierra 18-3214 Impeller Repair Kit promises to bring your cooling system back to life, so you can hit the water with confidence, knowing your engine stays protected. I've seen firsthand how a worn impeller can cause overheating, risking serious engine damage. That's why the Sierra kit stands out. It's a complete package with everything you need for a thorough repair. The heart of the kit is a high-quality impeller made from tough neoprene rubber, built to resist wear and maintain flexibility. This means consistent water flow even in rough marine conditions. Plus, every impeller undergoes strict quality checks to guarantee reliable performance. Beyond the impeller, the kit includes multiple gaskets, a seal ring, an impeller plate, and an O-ring, all engineered to fit precisely and seal perfectly. These parts meet or exceed original equipment specs, making the Sierra 18-3214 a trusted replacement for a wide range of engines, including Chrysler, Force, Honda, Mercruiser, Mariner, and Mercury Marine models. Replacing your worn impeller with this kit restores strong water flow, keeps your engine temperature in check, and protects your investment from costly overheating damage. Many boaters appreciate how straightforward the installation is, no guesswork, no hunting for parts separately, and how quickly their cooling system returns to peak performance. If you want dependable cooling that stands up to harsh marine environments, the Sierra 18-3214 Impeller Repair Kit is worth a look. It's designed to give you peace of mind on every trip. Check the link in the video description for current pricing and availability. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your boat's cooling system and keep your engine running smooth.